Hi there. In our previous video, we looked at posting an announcement. Let's say a teacher is thinking about posting an announcement, but is not ready for the students to see it just yet. There are a number of options for teachers to plan in advance and prepare their resources or assignments that they would like to share with their students by using a setting in the posting feature called scheduling or saving as a draft. So for argument's sake, for example, put in the letter A. Now we have something that's going to go up on the screen. Or we can add a resource, a link, a video, etc. Over here, default setting is to post this announcement immediately. If you click on the down arrow, a number of options are made available to you. Scheduling allows a teacher to schedule a post in advance that the post should show up and be available to students at a specific time. When you hit schedule, the website will prompt you to a certain date, a certain time. Perhaps your teacher knows that they're going to be away on a certain day or there's a certain amount of time students have off, and a teacher wants to communicate with their students in between classes where they won't be meeting. Many different scenarios this could come up. And the teacher has the ability through this feature to schedule a post in advance. That post will automatically be available for students on that date at that particular time by hitting schedule. It can always be changed at any point before it gets posted. That's called scheduling a post. The other option is to simply save as a draft. It could be teachers working on a assignment, announcement, but they're not ready to go live with it, and they're not looking to schedule it for advance. They're just looking to continue working on it, perhaps at a different point. And the draft simply is saved and is available here on the screen. This is the teacher's view. The student does not see this. And the teacher can, when they're ready, go back in, find their post, and continue working where they left.